So we're continuing on with our double trouble project. This is based on a Abarth double bubble. And just a quick summary of what we're doing with this car. This is something we're prepping for a Pan America La Carrera style vintage events. So certainly significantly more robust than a stock car. You'll see from what we're doing here, it's a really large undertaking to pull this off. The chassis is just about complete. The chassis is a combination of the original and our full tube safety cage. It's a full FIA cage, but it's also been integrated into the suspension pickup points and whatnot. So it's a fully integrated, it's not just like a bolt-in like scenario. That's 98% done. We're at the point now where we are routing wiring, plumbing, mounting components, sensors, all the little parts and pieces it takes to make a car, and they have to be mounted and accounted for, brackets made. We're also right in the middle of the process of creating our new alloy skins or sheet metal on the outside. We shaped the new designs, which is wider to accommodate our suspension and wheels and tires. We shaped that in clay on top of the existing fenders. This way we can get the shape we want and see if the aesthetic works. From this we can use a 3D scanner, which we have, and we scan that. We take it into a program, SolidWorks, and from that we have our shape in 3D. We then are able to convert that and create our buck network in designs and lay those out and cut them with an automated router. So creating bucks for making sheet metal is a really labor-intensive part of the process. With modern technology and 3D scanner, we're able to make that a rather quick process. It's just a matter of loading it on a two-dimensional router and cutting them out, and then we assemble it almost like a puzzle. From that we can shape our skins and right to that, and they should be exact and right where we want them. So all this is kind of coming together for the same moment. The mechanical underpinnings are all, the engine, the trans, the chassis build, are all building closed. The skins are coming together. So here pretty quickly in the first part of this year, it's all going to come together and we're going to have a complete car. And once we're completely satisfied with it, we've made any changes we need to make, it'll completely get blown apart down to zero, and we'll come back up again, painting and plating and doing finalization on most of the components. So it's kind of an exciting time, a lot happening, a lot closing in at the same time here.